Good morning, children of God. If you heard that parable, it was a terrible story of a terrible farmer who didn't obviously know what he was doing because he kept sowing seed all over the place, on the path, on the rocky ground, in with the thorns. And it made me think, one of the things I love to do is plant flowers. And the flower you see in front of me is called a dahlia flower. Now, if I just let it sit, you know what's going to happen? It's going to die, because the earth, just like the seed, has to be kept moist. And just like every other plant, has to have fertilizer. And here's one thing that you don't know maybe. You can see some of these stems. When the flowers begin to die, you must cut them off. Otherwise, it won't present these beautiful purple flowers. If you look really close, maybe you can see all the little buds that are coming up and growing. And pretty soon, my dahlia is going to be full of purple flowers. But they happen because somebody, me in this case, takes care of the flower. So my idea was, the sower sows seed all over the place, but we have to also then care for that word for others. We have to make sure that the ground is wet so the plant stays alive, the seed grows. We have to have the fertilizer sharing God's love, and we have to pick off the blooms that are dying so more blooms come together. In other words, there's a difference between understanding God's love and being loving. What we're talking about today is God's loving by scatters the seed all over. Now you and I have to be loving in how we care for that word for others.